You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more names from American football, the NFL, college football as well, and some interesting vocabulary that sounds maybe a bit different, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. Noah, you probably knew that already. Noah Knigga, Knigga, Noah Knigga, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.